To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card located in your seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you're traveling in the premium cabin, the Q Suite safety card is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures in case your suite door is jammed in the closed position. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help you. Please prepare for takeoff. Now you can enjoy your 8,000 entertainment options on your Oryx One. By the way, I should be in 7,999 of them. The rocket's only in one. Don't ask me why.
سيدتي وسادتي، في حال فقدان ضغط المقصور يجب التأكد من إدارة غطاء الوجه. إذا كنت ترتدي غطاء قدر ارتداء الأكسجين المنسدل وشكرا.
All electrical goods with lithium batteries in your cabin bag. This includes power banks and any spare batteries. All electronic devices must be disconnected from in-seat power during taxi, takeoff and landing. Please take care not to let them fall down the side of the seat. And if you notice any device overheating, please notify a member of the cabin crew immediately. For more information, please visit QatarAirways.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the event of loss of cabin pressure, kindly ensure that you remove the face covering if you are wearing one prior to putting on the drop-down oxygen mask. Thank you.
You can now experience the fastest Wi-Fi in the sky with Starlink. Connect with loved ones.